Make pictographs. How do you make a pictograph to show data in a tally chart? Take turns pulling a cube from the bag. Draw a happy face in the graph for each cube. So my onliners, you will do this by maybe if you have like different colored paper, you guys can cut up some red, blue, green, orange paper. If you don't, get creative. Get a piece of paper, color them different colors, and cut it to pieces. Put it in a little baggie, and you're going to draw the pieces. Obviously, you don't want to cut more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of each piece. You're going to have it in a baggie, and then you're going to fill in the graph based on what you've taken out. I'm going to show you guys how to do this in class. We're going to do this using colored cubes. And onliners, you can use like if you have manipulatives at home that are these different colors. If you have the Fruit Loops cereal, those are different colors. You can do that. Be creative, okay? So I have some cubes here, just a whole pile of different color cubes, and we're going to do this together. So if I assort all of my cubes to only the blue cubes, how many blue cubes do I have, everyone?
3.
I have 1, 2, 3. So how many smiley faces will I draw for blue?
3.
I will draw 3 smiley faces for blue. 1, 2, 3. Why am I drawing smiley faces and not circles? Because what does the key say? Smiley face stands for 1 cube. If it said each smiley face stands for 2 cubes, then I would draw 1.5. Okay, but it doesn't. It says each one is 1. All right, so let's look at the red. If I count my red, I have 1, 2, 3. I also have 3 red cubes. So how many smiley faces will I draw for the red one? 3. 1, 2, 3. How about green? 3, 4, 5. I have 5 green, so I'm going to draw 5 smiley faces for green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many smiley faces will I draw for orange? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 smiley faces for orange. Which 2 colors have the same amount? Orange and green have the same amounts because orange, no. Oh, red and blue are the same as each other. You're right. Red and blue have the same amount because they're both 3, and green and orange have the same amount because they're both 5. Now, how many blue or green do I have? Remember, when you see the word or, what does that mean? Add. So how many blue or green? 5, 6, no. Brenaya, please stop yelling 10. Blue is 3, and green is 5. Now what's 5 plus 3? 8. So how many blue or green do I have? I have 8. All right. Moving on. Each picture in the pictograph stands for 1 flower. Draw pictures to show the data in the tally chart. So Jessie has 3, Anise has 5, and Paolo has 4. And then here it says each oval stands for 1 flower. Guys, these are called pictographs. A pictograph has pictures in it. A tally chart has tallies in it. Pictures are like smiley faces, ovals, circles, stars, whatever. Okay? A tally, these are tally marks, like what we do on the smiley face, happy face, right? Those are called tallies, where there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one is crossed out. They're in sets of 5. All right. So here they transferred this tally chart to this pictograph. So in the tally chart, it shows that Jessie picked 3 flowers. The key says each oval stands for 1 flower, so they drew 1, 2, 3 ovals for Jessie. How many ovals will I draw for Anise? 5. Excellent. Let's draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ovals will I draw for Paolo? 4. Paolo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty easy, schmeezy, lemon squeezy, right? All right, use the tally chart to complete the pictograph. Draw a smiley face for each child. So you're going to put the information in this tally chart into this pictograph. And then you're going to answer question 2 and 3 that are based on this graph. So we're going to do some of this together, and then I'm going to let you finish the rest on your own. Cheese, how many tallies do I have for cheese?
4.
That's 4? That's 5. So I'm going to draw how many smiley faces for cheese? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I want you to do the same for ham, tuna, and turkey, and then you're going to answer question 2 and 3. Go ahead and pause the video and complete that now. Okay, so how many people voted for ham? 2. So we're going to draw how many smiley faces? 2. How many people voted for tuna? 4. So how many smiley faces? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many for turkey? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many children chose tuna? 4. That's an easy question. How many more? Whenever you see a math question like that, it needs to be boxed. And if it's not boxed, I'm counting it wrong. Even if you do get the right answer, I'm still counting it wrong because I'm going to say you did not show your strategies. I'm going to tell you you did not show your strategies. So number 3, how many more means take away? Well, what am I taking away? How many more children chose cheese than ham? So I'm taking away cheese and ham. Cheese is 5 and ham is 2. If you want to go further and show your works, just write down 5 take away 2 so I know what you did. 5 take away 2 is what, class? 3. Good job. Does everybody understand this? Let's take a vote. How many of you guys feel like this is super easy? Raise your hand. Awesome. How many of you guys do not understand this? Raise your hand. Okay, that's okay. All right, let's keep going. Draw a picture for each, draw a smiley face for each child. You're going to do the same thing. I'm going to give you some time to fill in the fruit tallies into the favorite fruit pictograph, okay? You're going to fill this information in here, and then you're going to answer question 5 and 6 on your own. You can go ahead and pause the video now. All right, so now that you've had some time to do this on your own, I'm going to review what you did. So apple. If I look at the tally chart, I can see that 4 people voted for apple to be their favorite fruit. So I'm going to draw 4 smiley faces for apple. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then plum, 2 people chose plum as their favorite fruit. So I'm going to draw 2 smiley faces for plum. Now again, they have to be smiley faces. They cannot be dots or circles or lines because the key says smiley face. Banana has 5 votes. 5 people voted for banana to be their favorite fruit. So I'm going to draw 5 smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 people chose orange to be their favorite fruit. So I'm going to draw 3 smiley faces for orange. 1, 2, 3. Now, using this pictograph, let's answer the questions. How many children chose banana? 5 children chose banana. That's easy to see. I'm looking here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fewer? How many fewer means take away. I'm going to show my strategies by boxing that. Children chose plum than banana. So banana is 5 and plum is 2. So I'm going to write 5. Take away 2 equals, and I'm going to do 5 take away 2 equals 3. 3 fewer children. All right, number 7 says, how many children chose a fruit that was not a plum? So if you have a question that says that is not a plum, that means you're going to add all of the people that chose a fruit except for plum. You're not going to add plum into the equation. You're going to add apple plus banana plus orange. So apple is 4, plus banana is 5, plus orange is 3. I did not include plum because it says how many children chose a fruit that was not plum. So 4 plus 5 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12 children. Number 8 says, which 3 fruits were chosen by a total of 10 children? That means you're going to have to guess and check. Which 3 can you add together to make 10? I'm going to try apple, plum, and banana first. See if those make 10. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 5 is 11, so it's not those 3. What if I do plum, banana, and orange? 5 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7, and 7 plus 3 is 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go, that works. So 2 plus 5 plus 3 is 10. So your answer could be plum, banana, and orange. So you would write plum, banana, and orange. Okay, and that's it. So you're going to go ahead and complete page 654 to 656 on your own, and then you're going to complete the worksheet that's listed on the Google Classroom. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you later. Bye.